Well, quick update. It started raining. We're still sorting horses. Today is August, whatever. And we're still sorting horses. There should be a video before this explaining why. It should be a short. This is the same day, and so they're bringing in more horses right now, so let's see them. There they are. Oh, look at that pony. It looks like it's mobbed completely. Look at that. That's so cool. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Woo! Go ponies, go! Where are they going?
Right to the fence for a little bit. That way they can get the water. Shift that one? Hayden, can you show him how to drive that?
Yep.
We'll be right back. Okay. Hey, Barb, you want to get a video of him crossing the creek?
Sure.
Grab your, come with us.
There you go. That's ready.
Good. Good.
Hang on, honey.
You okay, Max? Weird weather, huh? For August. You'd think it was April or May. If you're what? Oh yeah, no, and they're just gonna be going like this speed is all. Okay, Max, you're on here.